The high-profile trial of the woman accused of killing her husband is winding down.
The defense had an opportunity to present their case this afternoon in the trial of murder-accused Donna Vasyli. Jimmy Swain tells us the Australian native was given the option to remain silent or make a statement under oath from the witness box. Following that, attorney Muriel Ducille opened the case and even called 2 witnesses. In a matter of days, the jury will make a final decision.
Murder-accused Donna Vasyli opting from the prisoner's dock to remain silent Tuesday afternoon. Her attorney Muriel Ducille relayed to the court that the defense would be relying on Vasyli's record of interview or the statement she gave police. She's accused of killing her husband, famed podiatrist Philip Vasyli, back in March at their Old Fort Bay home. Ducille, in his opening remarks, outlined to jurors that the prosecution brought Vasyli to court and the burden to prove her guilt rests with them. As for the prosecution's case, he said it was based on circumstantial evidence. However, he told jurors that they should have no sympathy or prejudice for his client. But he reminded them again that Vasyli was wrapped in a mantle of innocence until the prosecution proved otherwise, and according to Ducille, they had not yet done that. In fact, he said the prosecution had not yet started its case and had only thrown out a jigsaw puzzle. While he pointed out that a life had been lost, he told jurors to concern themselves with whether Donna Vasyli was responsible. In the record of interview, the attorney said his client told police that she did not commit the crime and was innocent. Ducille is of the view that the prosecution's case has imploded. His client, he said, was questioned by police on March 25th, 2015, and again 3 days later. Throughout, he said his client had denied any involvement in her husband's death. As for the crime scene, he said the DNA shows the bloody palm print to belong to Philip Vasyli. The knife exhibited in court, he said, had no DNA for his client. Ducille reiterated several times that at no time did his client tell police that she killed her husband. In fact, he said it's not been proven that the Vasylis were together in a building at any place where the stabbing took place. Further, he said the prosecution brought DNA evidence, but it meant nothing. The surveillance video, according to Ducille, showed 2 men exiting the home, but no woman. He said if the record of interview, which both the defense and prosecution have relied on, were extracted, there is no other evidence. The defense also called 2 witnesses, meteorologist Jeffrey Simmons and dermatologist Dr. Rochelle Knowles. Dr. Knowles told the court that she had performed laser treatment on Vasyli's hands to remove brown spots on the back of them. Within 2 to 10 days of the procedure, she said the hands would scab and appear pink and raw. She said horizontal and vertical lines would be visible. Under cross-examination, she accepted that she could not say what Vasyli would have done at her home on March 23, 2015, nor did she have any defensive marks, but instead the marks were left from the laser treatment. Now, both the prosecution and defense are expected to present closing arguments tomorrow morning at 10:30. On Thursday, Justice Stephen Isaacs is expected to sum up the case for jurors. Jimmy Swain, ZNS Network News.